Bigg Boss 19 premieres today. Catch the grand launch on Jio Hotstar at 9 p.m. and Colors TV at 10:30 p.m. No hosts and first contestants. The audience is eagerly waiting for Salman Khan's popular TV reality show Bigg Boss. The 19th season of this reality show is now just hours away. While the makers hinted about 3 contestants of the show, others will be seen making a splash on the premiere day. But before that, let us know when and where we can watch Bigg Boss 19 on TV and OTT. Bigg Boss 19 premiere can be viewed on Jio Hotstar at 9 p.m. The reality show will be aired on Colors channel from 10:30 onwards. The grand premiere of Bigg Boss is today, on August 24th. This time, several changes have been made in Bigg Boss 19. The new season is completely based on politics, in which a unique flavor of democracy will be seen. In this season, a leader will be chosen instead of the captain. It is reported that the House will be divided into 2 parties and the leader will be elected through elections between these parties. A big change regarding Bigg Boss 19 is also being heard that this time, Salman Khan will not host the show alone. Reportedly, apart from Salman Khan, 2 more hosts have also been signed. There is talk of Karan Johar and Farah Khan hosting Bigg Boss 19 along with Salman. At the same time, this time the timing of the show is also long. This time it will run for 5 months instead of 3. However, it has not been officially announced by the makers yet. While singer-composer Amal Malik, content creator Awais Darbar and his alleged girlfriend Nugma Mirajkar and TV actor Gaurav Khanna have been confirmed by Jio Hotstar, others will reportedly be revealed on the Bigg Boss 19 premiere day. Singer Sriram Chandra, social media influencer Apurva Mukhija, Splits Villa fame Baisarali, gangs of Busapur actors Aishan Quadri, TV actors Gurcharan Singh, Parav Jha, Sivat Tomar, Shailesh Lodha, Ashnor Kaur and Abhishek Bajaj can enter the Bigg Boss 19 house. Now it remains to see who will be a part of the show. Also read Bigg Boss 12 contestant Subha Khan marries businessman Wasim Nawab in Jodhpur, shares wedding pie.